In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Fiverr profile. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr website in the search results. Once you're on the site, go to your profile by clicking your avatar and choosing View Profile. This is your hub for all profile updates and the place where potential clients will learn who you are and what you offer. On your profile page, you can update your profile picture by selecting the camera icon on your current photo. Choose an image from your device that looks professional, well-lit, and clearly shows your face. A simple background and a friendly, confident expression work best. Make sure the image is high quality and properly cropped so it displays cleanly across devices. Next, update the About section. Click Edit Details to open the editor, then type your details. Keep this short, specific, and client-focused. Mention your key services, your strongest tools or specialties, and what outcomes you deliver. Use clear language and keywords that reflect what buyers search for. Aim for 2 to 4 concise sentences that highlight your niche and your value. When you're happy with it, click Save Changes to lock it in. Your profile also allows you to showcase more credibility builders, a portfolio of past projects, an intro video, work experience, education, certifications, and skills and expertise. Add items that directly support the services you sell. For a portfolio, choose your best, most relevant samples and include short explanations of your role and results. If you add an intro video, keep it clear and under a minute, focusing on who you help and how you work. List work experience and education that reinforce your expertise and include certifications that are recognized in your field. As an example, let's add skills and expertise. Click Edit Skills and Expertise, then choose Add New. Type a skill you want clients to find you for. Use commonly searched terms so it's easy to match with buyer needs. Select your experience level accurately, whether beginner, intermediate, or expert. Honest levels build trust and help set proper expectations. Click Add to include the skill. Repeat for your top skills, placing your strongest, most relevant ones first, and then click Save Changes to finalize. That's it. By polishing your photo, refining your About section, and thoughtfully adding credibility elements, especially your skills, you make it easier for the right buyers to discover and hire you. Revisit your profile regularly as your services evolve and keep everything consistent, clear, and up to date.